Yo, 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 yo. Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone. We're taking this journey together, learning recipes as one. Hopefully, everyone is still doing good with this virus. Like I said, it's a lot of stress, causes a lot of anxiety, worried about a lot of stuff. So, we can try to save food, and like I said, not compromise on taste or flavor, but we can only do our best. That's all we can do. Today's a quick tip: a sausage, pepper, and mushroom pizza on garlic taco. So I keep going with that garlic taco subject, but if you get a package of tacos and you use the pan like in the previous video and turn those into garlic, then you could use those for anything. So for today's recipe, we got the garlic taco, mushrooms and peppers, sausage, mozzarella cheese, and marinara sauce. You could use pizza sauce. So we'll get started by putting some of this on here, and then we'll top it up. And when you have all the stuff already cooked, like the sausage and peppers and mushrooms ahead of time, it only takes 5 minutes. So sometimes when you have extra time, it pays to cook things ahead of time. And then if you have extra stuff, you can freeze it. Alright, YouTube, so we're going to take this pizza sauce and we're going to spread this on the taco. So basically, the pizza sauce of marinara, put on as much as you want. Try to cover it a little bit like you would with a pizza, and then we'll go to the toppings. Alright, so we got that on there. Now take your peppers and mushrooms and start plating them on there. If you don't have like mushrooms, then leave them off. But like I've said millions of times, this is your cook, your house. Do it the way you want. So just put on as much as you want. And after that's done, we'll go right to the sausage. Alright, so we have the peppers and mushrooms on there. Now we're going to take the sausage and use the hands God gave you. That's one of my slogans. And just place this on your pizza. And this is a really good tip, something different to try, because you have that taco that's garlic and it adds different taste. So we're going to put that on, and then once you're set, we're going to go to the cheese, and then you have different options with this to melt the cheese and to warm it. Alright, so we have our sausage and peppers on there. Now we're going to take the cheese, and you know how this is. Everyone likes different levels of cheese. If you want extra cheese, put it on there. So that's all up to what you want to do. Alright, so we got the cheese on there, YouTube. And there's many different things you could do. You could put this in a toaster oven. You could put it in the oven to warm the top, or you could put it in a pan, and there's a way of doing it with steam. You put water around this and you put a cover on, and it'll melt the cheese. But I'm going to throw this in the microwave, and like how I've done it before, keep warming it for 20 seconds. Usually you have to do it for 40 to 60, but keep doing it every 20 seconds and checking on it, because you could always add time. You just can't take it back. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there it is. Your sausage, pepper, and mushroom garlic taco. And I put a little bit more cheese on there because I love cheese. But like we've always talked about, this is your cook, your house. Tailor it to your needs, or to your kids, or to the rest of your family. So thanks for spending time with me on Tuesday. I'll see you Wednesday, hopefully. And I'll see you throughout the week. We're in this together, and I'm trying to bring more recipes each week. So Dan Soy, amateur cook. You be safe. I know the virus is crazy. I try to avoid the news as much as I can. It's a sad thing. I never thought I would see something like this in my lifetime. But there's nothing we could do but stay strong and positive. So God bless you. Peace. Dan Soy. Bye-bye.